Welcome! In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I'll show you how you can add your fingerprint to your power key, this one. So at the first you have to open the settings, find the accounts, and then go for syncing options. Right now you have to find Windows Hello Fingerprint and click to set up. Click to get started. As you can see, we have to touch the power button, so let's make it. As you can see here, we got the light around the power key, so I'm going to link this finger. So we have to just put it like that. We have to touch and then lift our finger. Let's make it for a few times. I can feel that this power key is very hot when we make the setup. Yeah, it's very hot. Okay, let's try another angle. So click next, and then put your finger for the right, left, scan it at the bottom also. Okay, as you can see, it's finished. We can also add another finger, but I'm going to skip this one. Next we have to set up the pin. Okay, there's the verification method. So for example, I'm going to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Click OK. Oh, we have to use our currently code. So there is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click OK, and we have to create a new pin. So let's make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and confirm with the same. As you can see, we can also enable this switcher and we can include letters and symbols. So we have to decide if you want to get it. In my case, I'm going to skip this one and click OK to confirm. Okay, as you can see, my pin code is too common, so let's make another one. For example, okay, so the same, the 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Click OK, and right now it's finished, it works. So let's see how we can unlock our phone, our laptop. So let's lock our device and let's press the power key with our fingerprint. As you can see, it works. Let's make another try. So press it and it works. Of course, you can still log in with your password. So when you tap space, for example, we can go here to pick the syncing options. So we can go for the PIN or the password. So there's the PIN, and I set up 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we can also go to our device with the password, and in my case it was 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you can see, it also works. So that's how it looks, and if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.